everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I have a Kroger, yes, updated must-do deals video for you that is running from May 4th through the 10th of 2022. Of course, this is week 1 of our mega sale, so a lot of these deals you're going to see pour into week 2 as well. So anyway, lots of things happening, and I have got to get out of here quickly because it is finishing up Teacher Appreciation Week, and I'm PTA president, and we also have our father-daughter dance tonight. So I am so busy this week. I know you probably have noticed not a lot of videos coming out. It has been crazy. But the nice thing is, on top of everything going on there, I also had my finals weeks for my students at the college level. And I should be done with that, all of this week. And next week, I'm going to have a lot of free time on my hands. I'm really looking forward to trying to put together some fun videos. Let me know in the comments if there's anything in particular you'd like to see besides Kroger that I can put together for next week. All right, guys, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos as they come out. And let's figure out what is going on at Kroger with these awesome updated deals. All right, we're going to start out with our mega sale. Just a real quick reminder of the buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale. This is where you have to buy 5 or more participating items. Once you hit 5, it does not matter if you buy 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 103. It does not matter. You get $1 off per item. If you only get 4 participating items, you do not get that $1 off each. So make sure you have at least a minimum of 5 in your cart. And I will show you a couple of deals where you don't have to have any kind of matchups. They're just super easy, cheap deals too. All right, let's talk about some 49-cent Chobani oat milk. Now, you make sure that you grab the shelf-stable ones. These you'll find in the aisles, not in the dairy section. These are regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $3.49, a mega sale for $2.49. You're going to pay that out of pocket, then submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It is a limit of 1 time. Final cost is 49 cents, but keep an eye open as soon as you submit it. Look like the next day. It may reload for you, and you could go do this deal yet again. If you use this regularly, 49 cents is a great stock up price. I'm going to be grabbing these. I've noticed that, we all have been seeing how inflation is hitting us hard, and a lot of people are really talking about how we're going to have major food shortages starting this summer. Because of things that have been in the work for quite a while, we're going to see the results of that start hitting us this summer. So I have started getting a little food stockpile of shelf-stable food, and this would be a great thing to have for cereals and things like that I'm also saving. So definitely going to stock up as many as I can get for this particular sale. Next, we have the Kelloggs cereal. So this at least includes the Frosted Flakes, the Apple Jacks, or the Fruit Loops. Can somebody confirm for me that the mini wheats are also part of the Ibotta rebate? So I have used these rebates in the last sale, and I had an issue with my mini wheats, and it's no longer in my Ibotta. So I have a suspicion that they credited me the money I was missing, but they took it out of my gallery, and it probably will pop up tomorrow or something like that. But I couldn't confirm that the mini wheats were also included. They may be, so check them out. Anyway, these cereals are regularly priced $3.49. They're on sale for $2.79, mega sale for $1.79. There's a $1 off 2 printable coupon from the Kelloggs website. Yes, the Kelloggs website is back. We used to use it all the time, and then they took all the coupons out, and I guess they were just redoing their website because now they're back. So use one of those coupons, pay $1.29 each, submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 1, and it's 5 times per type. So if you wanted, 5 Frosted Flakes or 5 Fruit Loops or something like that. The great thing about this is you could grab one of each cereal and have 2 different rebates if you're trying to get some sort of bonus. We have a couple of bonuses happening on Ibotta. I probably should have put them up here. Maybe I'll do that in the next video. But we have a big one, plus we have the Weekend Warrior going on. Anyway, final cost, 79 cents each. So really great deals on cereals. You can't pass this one up. Next, we have the Caribou Coffee K-Cup 12 count. These are regularly priced $7.99. Mega sale for $6.99. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It's a limit of 1 time, but you can grab one of these for just $4.99. We also have some great deals happening on core bars this week. So there's 3 different kinds. There's the peanut butter, chocolate, there's the blueberry banana almond, and then there's the coconut chocolate chip. They're all really good. I've had all of them before. So basically, grab any of these or all of them. They're regularly priced $2.99, on sale for $2.49, mega sale for $1.49. Pay that out of pocket. Then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Your final cost just 99 cents each. So pretty good deal there on these bars. And again, if you're working towards any kind of bonuses, it's a separate one for each one of these. If you want to grab one of each, it's a great deal. All right, we have a couple deals on some different toothpaste. So there's 2 different kinds that are in this deal. The Crest 3D White Professional Ultra White Toothpaste. That's the one that is pictured on the right there. There's also the Crest Densify Toothpaste, which is actually pictured in the picture of the coupon. Now, they're both regularly priced $7.49. They're on sale for $6.99 and mega sale for $5.99. Now, there are 3-off-1 digital coupons. So I only posted a picture of one of them, but there's actually 3 different kinds. You can go in and see how the 3 different connect to these 2 products. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $2.99 each, and then they each one have a different Ibotta rebate. So 2 back on 1, a limit of 3 times. So if you wanted to max this out, you could get 2 of the 3D and 1 of the Densify, or vice versa. But final cost for these toothpaste is just 99 cents each. Really awesome deal. Of course, we have seen the Ibotta rebate as high as $3, making these free, but still a great deal on toothpaste that's normally $7.49 for 99 cents. That's a really good deal. Oh, and I want to thank Bean for letting me know. I almost forgot. Sorry about that, Bean. Thank you for posting your comment in my Must Do Deals video from Wednesday and letting me know about this particular deal. All right, next we have the Alba shampoo and conditioner. These are regularly priced $9.49. They are on sale for $6.99, mega sale for $5.99. Out of pocket, that's what you're going to pay. Submit to Ibotta for 3 back on 1. It's a limit of 1 time. Final cost is $2.99, which I know a lot of us would think that still sounds high, but this shampoo is $9.49 regularly priced. This is a huge savings for you. So if this is something you like to use, grab it while it's really good. And again, it is a limit of 1 time, but after you use it, look the next day and see if it reloads. So maybe you can grab the shampoo one day and the next day grab the conditioner for this great deal. Again, just keep an eye open because a lot of times these Ibotta rebates just reload after you use them. All right, we have the Peet's Coffee K-Cup 10 count. These are regularly priced $11.49. They're on sale for $8.99. Mega sale for $7.99. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. Final cost is going to be $6.99 each. Again, you're looking a little less than 50% savings, but still a really huge savings for almost $12 coffee. We also have the bagged coffee. It's the exact same deal, just a different Ibotta rebate. So again, regularly priced $11.49, on sale for $8.99, mega sale for $7.99. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1, a limit of 5 times. Your final cost is $6.99 for this coffee. All right, next deal is on the Activia Immune Support Drinks, the 6 count. These are regularly priced $4.49. Now, my store has them on sale for $4.14. I did see online somewhere somebody had them for $3.99. So there is a possibility that you could grab this for about 15 cents cheaper. Still, this is a really good deal. So mega sale price would be $3.14, and we have a 2-off-1 digital coupon. Final cost is $1.14, but like I said, if your sale price is $3.99, you could be grabbing these for just 99 cents, which is a really, really good deal. Both of these are great deals on a 6 count of this. Grabbing it for 99 cents or $1.14, really great deal. All right, let's talk about a few deals that are just mega sale deals, no coupons needed. The Bullseye Barbecue Sauce 18 count is regularly priced $2.29, on sale for $1.99, but mega sale for just 99 cents. If you go to the store like me and you do a lot of little hauls, you may need 1 or 2 extra like filler items, and this would be a great filler item. For just 99 cents, grab some barbecue sauce. We also have the Harvest Snaps. These are regularly priced $2.49. On sale for $1.99, mega sale for 99 cents. Again, final cost just 99 cents. If you're not sure where to find these, I usually find these in like the produce section. There's usually like a shelf of different things like garlic, minced garlic, and just I'm trying to think what else on this shelf. But usually these harvest snaps are on that shelf right there in the produce. I know they're a little bit harder to find. You don't necessarily like find them in a chip aisle or anything like that. So check there if you haven't seen these before. 99 cents, great price. We also have the Green Giant Simply Frozen Veggies. These are regularly priced $2.19, on sale for $1.99, mega sale for just 99 cents. Again, final cost 99 cents, really great deal here as well, and a great filler item, or just a great item to grab. Again, if you're trying to stock up on things now, while they're good prices, this would be a good one because it goes in your freezer and these will last for quite a while. Next, we have the Betty Crocker Suddenly Salad, regularly priced $2.99, on sale for $1.99, mega sale for 99 cents. Another really great, easy one to grab and stock up on for just 99 cents. No coupons needed. Okay, guys, I have just like a couple, I think one, maybe Kroger deal that is not part of the mega sale for your updated deals video. But like I said, there's a must-do deals video from Wednesday. If you have not seen that video, there are a ton of deals going on. So go check out that video if you haven't seen it already. But let me show you the deal for today. So we do have the Dum Dums, 10.4 ounce, regularly priced $3.29. Use the 50 cent off one digital coupon, and you're going to pay $2.79. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. Now, there's actually several different Ibotta rebates for different sizes of the Dum Dums. The only one at my store I could find was the 10.4 ounce. So your store may carry a different size, so it could be a little bit different of a deal for you. But the final cost for at least the 10.4 ounce is going to be $2.29. So it's an extra $1 savings between the digital coupon and the Ibotta rebate. No sale price. You may want to hold on to this one, but the Ibotta rebate is expiring in 6 days. So if you're needing some suckers, and I will tell you, my little one she loves Dum Dum suckers, and so they're great to throw in your purse. And if you're like out and you need, a distracting point, you have those Dum Dum suckers, you hand it to them. It's great. All right, guys, the 5-time weekly digital deals. I have some new deals for you, some updated deals and some new deals. They're really, really good. I'm really excited. But there was a deal that I did post on the Always in my Must Do Deals video, so go check that one out if you haven't seen it already. Okay, Yaso Bites. Let's talk about this one. I don't know why I missed this one, but I did because I had a bunch of you let me know about it. Renee and Carl are two people that let me know about me missing the Yaso Bites. So thank you so much to Renee and Carl for letting me know. These are regularly priced $6.49. They're on sale for $4.97. You want to use the $2.97 each 5-time weekly digital coupon. Out of pocket, that's what you're going to pay, which is a really good price. And then you're going to submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. You could grab all 5 of these for just 97 cents each. What a great deal. And just, stock up. These are great little treats for you or for your kiddos in the summer when it's hot and they're wanting some ice cream. You just throw them one of the Yaso Bites. That would be good. It's a little bit healthier than ice cream, that type of thing, but it's still a very good, yummy, cool treat for the summer. So I'm going to be stocking up on all 5 of mine for sure. We also have the Butterfinger minis going on. These are regularly priced $4.79. They're on sale for $3.49, but we have that $1.77 each 5-time weekly digital coupon. So you're going to make sure you load that coupon. You'll pay $1.77 each, but check out Ibotta because Ibotta has a $1.50 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. So you're going to grab 5 bags of these for just 27 cents each. Holy cow, what an awesome deal. Check the expiration date on these. Honestly, with them being the minis and they're individually wrapped, you could actually save them for Halloween if you really wanted to. If you're that good at having some restraint. I don't know that I am, or at least I don't know that my family is, because if they find them, they're gone. And if I hide them too well, I won't remember I have them. So anyway, check the expiration date. If they last past October, you might want to grab them for, for Halloween, or otherwise just enjoy them, whatever it takes. Anyway, 27 cents. This is nothing to sneeze at. What a great deal. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you. This was an awesome video. I hope you liked this updated deals video. Give it a great big thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Don't give it a thumbs down because that's not nice. Anyway, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Follow me on social media. Everything's linked in the description box below. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.